In this lesson, we're going to be making a mobile. What is a mobile? A mobile is a type of sculpture that is formed of delicate components which are suspended in the air and move in response to air currents. The materials you're going to need for this lesson are a piece of cardboard, 2 pieces of thick paper or thin card, scissors, sellotape, a sharp pencil, a ruler, twine, colouring pencils, or colouring pens. Okay, step 1, you're going to need a piece of cardboard and then you're going to need your ruler. So put your ruler along the edge of your piece of cardboard and draw a straight line along one edge of your ruler. Now move the ruler down to that line and draw another line at the bottom edge of your ruler. Repeat the process. And then move the ruler down again to the line and draw another line across. At one end, draw a line. Now, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 strips. I need you to now cut out with scissors. Once you've cut them out, you should have 4 equal length strips. What I'd like you to do is put 1 strip on top of the other, and again, 1 strip on top of the other. Now we're going to sellotape them at either end and in the center. Now you have 2 strips reinforced. Next step is to make a cross with them, a cross shape, by putting one over the top of the other and hold together with sellotape. And I want you to draw 2 shapes on each piece of paper. So here we go. Now it's time to colour them in. Once you have coloured your shapes in, it's time to cut them out carefully. Once you have cut your 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes out, it's time to add colour to the other side. Now you will have 4 shapes with both sides coloured in. The next step is to take your sharpened pencil. You might need to get an adult to help you with this. And make a small hole in the top corner. Don't press it through too hard, just a tiny little hole, and go in either way. There you go. And repeat with the second one. With the third one. And then the last one. The next step is to get your twine and cut your first length. Just over the length of a piece of paper. Take your piece of twine and thread it through the hole you've just made. This can be a little tricky, so you may want to get someone to help you with it. Next step is to tie it or sellotape it together. Next step is to attach it to the cross. Lay it down here. Lay the thread across one edge. Take a piece of sellotape and attach the thread to the end of one of the parts of your cross. Repeat the process with the next shape, but this time make the twine a little bit shorter. I find making a hoop with the twine and then twisting it makes it a little bit easier to get through the hole. There we go. Now, I'm going to take your piece and attach the other end of string to another point on the cross shape. Repeat the process for each of your shapes at all 4 points of the cross. And finally, you need to make a hoop around the cross of the X with twine. So, get a long piece of twine, bring it under, like so, and here you want to make a hoop. There we go, pull this through. Once you have finished making your mobile, you can then find somewhere to hang it up. Well done, Oak Lodge Art students. Fantastic work.